To get your product to market faster, you must ensure that hard-to-find and valuable components are always available. Well, that's where Sierra Circuit's component stocking comes in. Before your layout is complete, simply pre-order your BOM and store it in our facility. We purchase and store readily available components for you. If you will provide sensitive components, let us know on our web form. Package your components and your form. Ensure that the MPNs and quantities match the form. Mark your quote number, work order, or custom-owned inventory, or coin, on the package. Double-check your coin and enter its tracking number. Once we receive your package, we'll remind you of any missing components. If you like, we can purchase the additional parts. All parts are then shipped to a designated location and entered into our system, where you can track your inventory. When your PCB fabrication is complete, our kitting team forwards your stocked components to assembly, synchronized with the PCB. This eliminates the usual delays. So, say goodbye to shipping and manufacturing hassles with sensitive components. Make ordering PCBs simple with Sierra's component stocking.